We are at Winnebago Public Schools today. We just had a visit from a few players from the Sioux City Bandits. Came to talk to our kids about Community Night, which is just a great offering from the team. Gets kids interested, takes care of the cost for them as well, gives them an opportunity to go watch a game.
We was all once in y'all shoes, so make sure y'all listening to y'all teachers, listen to y'all parents.
I think the assembly is good for our kids to see athletes, to see people who have gone through high school, gone through college, gone on to chase a dream. And so I think it's good for them to hear and see people who have accomplished something, just the practice of it versus the theory. So,
really, guys, just chase your dreams. A lot of people are going to try to always doubt you no matter what it is.
Kids were able to ask some questions, anything from like, what's your favorite music or food, to how do you stay in shape? What is the workout like? Do you have a full-time job separate of playing for the Bandits? So coming up, we do that community night. Everyone's invited. So they do extend that invitation to our students, but also their parents, family members, friends. And so it's a great opportunity for them to go over to Sioux City, watch that, fill up a section of the crowd. I think that people underestimate just kind of how fun a Bandits game is. A lot of crowd interaction. They launch t-shirts. They have people come do different kinds of competition. The halftime show is going to be community folks and dancing. But I just think that it's a good opportunity to go do something wholesome, get out to the community, sort of bridge that gap between the Sioux City and sports and the Ho Chunk and Winnebago people. So.